Hey everybody, Mike McElroy here with Coast Realty. It's time to bring back our monthly market update. Did you miss us? That's right, we took June off. We were working on some fun new projects that we're excited to share with you soon, so stay tuned. Before we get into it, as always, remember, real estate is hyper local, so every neighborhood's different. So if you want to know what's going on in your neighborhood, just fill out the form below, name, email, and the neighborhood or neighborhoods that you're interested in, and we'll whip up a custom report for you. We got a bunch of real estate to catch up on, so let's get into it. So do you remember a couple of months ago when we said at some point this market is going to snap back and there's going to be pent-up demand? It's going to be like spring 2.0. It could happen in June or July and August. It's really going to be interesting to see. That happened in June. So here's a headline for you. June contracts are up by 21% year over year. That's the highest year over year monthly increase that we've had since 2014. We were gushing over a 6% increase in January, just for a little perspective. So what should you be prepared for if you're looking to buy a home this summer? Well, our realtors are telling us that this real estate market in Chicago has 2017 vibes. And what that means to us is it feels like back in 2017 when homes were selling in only a few days, the best listings were selling with multiple offers, sometimes 3 or 4 offers for a significant, $5, $10, $15, $20,000 over asking price, depending on what that asking price was. So that's the market out there right now. If you're looking to buy this summer, you got to be prepared, organized, and know exactly what you want. I know I always say it, but get aligned with your realtor now, make a game plan, and you'll be all right. You just need to be ready. All right, let's say you also need to sell a home this year if you're planning on making a move in Chicago. What should you do? What should you be ready for? Well, I just told you that the floodgates opened up in June. So if you were on the market in June, that was great. So you're probably wondering, what's next? Is this going to continue and for how much longer? Well, year to date, we're still down in terms of demand by more than 16%. So with these incredibly low interest rates that we're seeing right now, and just anecdotally, what I can tell you, we're hearing from new buyers coming out of the woodwork all of the time. We think that this trend is going to continue for the next couple of months. July is going to continue. July already has been a very busy month in terms of real estate activity. I think August will be uncharacteristically busy as well. August is usually kind of slow. It's a little dead. And then we kind of head into the fall and things slow down. I think we're going to have a strong July. August will be very good too. And September will probably be pretty strong as well. Going into the election, starting in October, I do think things are still going to start to peter off a little bit. And then after that, we'll have to see. So if you're planning on selling this year, like I said, now's the time to shoot your shot. If you do everything just right, you're probably going to be able to beat the market by a little bit. So once again, if you want to know what's going on in your neighborhood, just fill out the form below with your name and email, and we'll get you that custom neighborhood report so you know what's going on in your backyard. Thanks again, as always, for stopping by. We'll see you next month.